In the heart of the wild, where farmland meets forest, a relentless battle unfolds. Wild boars, fierce, cunning, and ever multiplying, threaten crops, livestock, and rural life itself. But a team of seasoned hunters steps forward, not just for the thrill of the hunt, but to protect what matters most. This is not just a hunt, it's a mission. Welcome to a true tale of survival, strategy, and raw instinct. Wild boars are a nightmare for farmers. They dig up the ground in search of food, destroy pastures, and damage crops. What's especially concerning is that this invasive species reproduces at an extremely fast rate. Each female can have up to 12 piglets per litter and breed twice a year. Local authorities have tried everything to control them, from setting traps and building fences to using chemicals. But the wild boar population keeps growing. And that's why today, a group of hunters set out, not just for the thrill of the hunt, but to protect the fields being ravaged by wild boars every day. As soon as they arrived, they quickly assembled their rifles, took positions, and waited for a signal from the hunting dogs. After a period of silence, barking suddenly pierced the air. A wild boar, driven out of the forest by the dogs, charged straight toward them. One hunter swung his rifle toward the boar and opened fire. The first 2 shots grazed its back, causing it to stumble. But the third shot hit its mark and brought the animal down. It was the first trophy of the day. After carefully scouting the terrain for a while, they realized the forest was fairly small and didn't have many wild boars, so the team decided to move to a different area. The pack of hunting dogs, still full of energy, ran ahead to search for prey. Thanks to that, just as they were leaving the forest, they came across their next wild boar. It was trying to find a way to escape through a small stream. One hunter calmly raised his rifle and fired. A precise shot took the animal down on the spot. On the other side of the stream was a gently sloping hill, covered in dense waist-high bushes, an ideal hiding spot for wild boars. However, with a clear vantage point and eyes alert to even the slightest movement among the leaves, the hunters could spot them as soon as they started to move. Sure enough, it wasn't long before a dark figure quietly slipped through the underbrush. Multiple gunshots rang out in quick succession. One bullet hit, but it wasn't a fatal shot. Panicked, the boar turned and ran a few more meters in the opposite direction before collapsing and tumbling down the hillside. After more than an hour at the previous spot, the team decided to move to another forest. A place where wild boars were known to appear frequently. As soon as they arrived, the hunting dogs immediately picked up the scent of a group of boars hiding behind thick bushes. One of the hunters pulled the trigger, firing a few shots to flush them out. The entire herd scattered in panic, their growls echoing through the deep forest. Then, they spotted a boar still hiding beneath the canopy. Not missing the chance, they took aim and opened fire, successfully taking down the target. The team ventured deeper into the forest in search of new prey. Less than half an hour later, a large wild boar came into the sights of one of the hunters. They continued the hunt until late in the afternoon. Eventually, the group stopped along a trail leading out of the forest, waiting for any last targets before wrapping up the hunt. Suddenly, a wild boar burst across the path, kicking up a cloud of dust. One hunter reacted instinctively, raising his rifle and taking a decisive shot. Moments later, another boar charged out, becoming the next target. A precise shot brought it down on the spot. The sun slowly dipped behind the hill, casting a golden-orange glow over the forested landscape. They turned back, retracing their steps along the trail, ending the hunt with a string of memorable victories. Over the past 2 weeks, residents of a rural area in Turkey have repeatedly complained about wild boars destroying crops and even attacking livestock at night. Despite trying various traditional methods, the problem remains unresolved. Faced with this urgent situation, a hunting group teamed up with local villagers to take action. And so, the chase to track down these destructive invaders began. This would be their first ambush of the day. Just as they got into position, the first dark shapes began to appear in the distance. Startled by the sound of gunfire, a wild boar bolted, crashing through the underbrush in a frantic attempt to escape. After several more shots, it finally collapsed onto the forest floor, and the air erupted in excitement. They quickly reset, constantly adjusting their scopes as the herd moved erratically across the rugged terrain. The first shots were fired from a considerable distance, a true challenge. Thanks to intense focus and pinpoint accuracy, they managed to take down multiple targets in the blink of an eye. They had only moved a short distance when a familiar silhouette suddenly appeared. The moment it emerged from the bushes, their response was swift and precise. Not far from there, another wild boar burst out. One hunter held his ground, tightened his grip on the rifle, and took the shot. Unfortunately, the first bullet missed. Luckily, his companion was already waiting at the bottom of the slope. Right beside him, another hunter fired, bringing the second boar crashing to the ground. The loud barking of the hunting dogs led them to another wild boar trying to stay hidden. But this one wasn't going down easily. It slipped through narrow gaps and thick foliage. The team opened fire, but the boar weaved through the underbrush, leaving them behind. Frustrated and disappointed, they pressed on, making their way up rugged, rocky trails toward the mountain summit. From the hillside, a strange noise suddenly echoed, followed by a cloud of dust billowing into the air. In an instant, the team realized a herd of wild boars was rushing down like a flood. The ground trembled under their heavy steps, and everyone instinctively tightened their grip on their rifles. Wasting no time, the team quickly spread out into their pre-planned formation, securing key choke points. 2 hunters already in position near the forest edge fired as soon as the boars burst through the underbrush. Amid the chaos, 2 boars were hit and collapsed almost instantly. The gunfire sent the rest of the herd scattering in all directions. Some vanished deep into the forest within seconds. No one let their guard down. With their experience, they knew there were still more animals hiding nearby. The team immediately reorganized, sweeping the area in a wide arc, carefully inspecting every bush and rocky crevice. The forest fell silent once more, but deep down everyone knew the storm wasn't over yet. As one team member split off to check the area near a small ravine, he noticed strange footprints pressed into the damp mud. Not animal tracks, but human boot prints. They were fresh, suggesting someone had been there just minutes earlier. He immediately called the rest of the team over. The tension shifted in an entirely new direction. Was someone watching them? Another group of hunters? Or worse, poachers operating illegally in the area? The question hung in the air, casting a heavy silence over the forest. The wild boar hunt no longer seemed like the only confrontation they had to be ready for. From within the underbrush, a massive wild boar suddenly burst out, catching the entire team off guard. The hunting dogs immediately changed course, fiercely pursuing this final prey. It was strong, fast, and incredibly relentless. Each stride left deep impressions in the damp forest floor. Despite its injuries, the beast kept fighting, turning the chase into the tensest moment of the entire hunt. Finally, after a sharp turn, it collapsed in the middle of the forest, bringing the encounter to a breathless end. As the team approached to inspect the fallen animal, a strange sound rustled from a nearby bush. Just as one hunter bent down, another boar, smaller but ferociously aggressive, sprang out and attacked. The team was startled, reacting instinctively. In the chaos, a single gunshot rang out, putting an abrupt end to the final surprise of the hunt.
Emre, enişte bizim.